Alright guys, so this is just an update for the cob projects that I've been doing. I actually started digging out an area in this soon-to-be garden. I started digging out an area for a wallopini, and about 5 feet down I found some clay, and I thought it was a pretty good mixture of clay to sand, so I ended up testing it and I'll show you the results. So here's the results. This is what it looks like after it's mixed. It's a beautiful, bright orange, kind of rusty color. And I've been applying it to the wall. And I've just been finishing up some of the projects that I showed you on my channel beforehand, like the shelves and stuff like that. I've actually built up a lot more walls since then. But I want to show you guys what this looks like inside the house. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like inside the house right now. It'll turn more into like this light orange, light kind of rust color. But you can see where I've had other layers. This is of the white clay mixed in with some of our brownish soil. Starting to finish up these shelves here, and they're coming along nicely. They're pretty sturdy. I did have them all, at least this section right here, covered in all white, and it had all of our books and a lot of other things on it, and it was really sturdy. Finally connected it with this area over here, which the main thing is when you're doing cob and it's winter to get fans on it, but since we're homesteading and we're using solar, we don't have electricity just at our disposal, so we really have to maintain and really maintain and manage our electricity. So on sunny days, I'll get 3 fans out here. We can blast it, and it's not taking away anything from us. Right now it's pretty sunny, or right now it's pretty cloudy, but yeah. And then I made this door. This is just with 2x4, and we plan on making like a cob accent bottle, wine bottle type thing up here, which hopefully I can show you guys that soon. Other than that, it's really just come down to the color of this wall, which I think is really gonna pop and make it a little bit more homey in here than the kind of gray, gray, white, neutral looking walls. So that's just an update. Appreciate you guys watching, and just stay tuned for more.